Yes, this
Yes,
matter
sir.
was set for a status hearing after completion of paternity testing. My understanding is that testing has been completed. That indicated that there is a 99.9999% chance that Mr. Hoffman is the father. I don't know if you guys have received that paperwork yet. It was kind of recently done, so you might not have received your copies yet. Have you, either one of you, received that paperwork yet?
I have not, no.
All right.
I have not either.
I do have that test report indicating that Mr. Hoffman is the father. Do you dispute that, sir?
No, I do not.
All right, ma'am, do you dispute that?
No.
Okay. So one thing I think we also need to address is this was filed as a DC. It's a case code saying a custody matter. But given that paternity had not been established at that time, it really should have been a DP case. So for those reasons, I'm going to issue a recommended order that the case code be changed to a DP to be more reflective of how this case should have proceeded, but we can certainly still address the custody and parenting time as part of the DP case. The two of you at this time have any agreements regarding custody and parenting time?
No, we did not. We talked about remediation before, but we were waiting on the DNA testing.
All right. Do you guys want some time to meet and discuss it? Do you want to go back to mediation, or do you want to have a evidentiary hearing in front of me where you both make your arguments and the court makes a decision?
I think we could try meeting up and figuring things out. And then I guess if that doesn't pan out, then we could go in front of you and have you help us to.
Do you want to go to mediation and do that, ma'am, or do you think the two of you can just have those discussions on your own?
Whatever he thinks, I guess. I'm okay with whichever.
All right, sir, what are your thoughts?
I believe remediation would be the best action to take. Okay.
I mean, certainly they know a little bit more about the system and some of the things that probably should be addressed in any potential agreement anyways. So they can be more helpful to have that. So we're going to refer you guys to mediation again and then reset this out for a hearing to come back after that mediation. Obviously, if you don't reach an agreement, that is fine. Then what we're going to do is have a evidentiary hearing where you both could present your arguments. But mediation gives you both an opportunity to have kind of complete control of the schedule, see what works out best for your situations and your lives and what's in the best interest of your child. So we will do that referral to mediation, and we will change the case code to a DP. Friend of the court, do you think there's anything else we need to address?
The only other matter was the prior recommendation indicated cost of the testing. I don't know if that needs to be addressed now that paternity's been established.
Was there a billing, or did anyone have to pay for testing?
I was told before that if I was the father, that she would have to pay because she requested the DNA testing.
All right. Did you have to pay to get this done, sir, out of pocket already, or not?
No, I do not believe I had to pay at all when I had the DNA testing done.
All right. Well, if there's no bill out there, then we won't worry about it. But sir, if you do get a bill to pay, then we would address that matter. So just let us know if that happens.
Okay, gotcha.
Ma'am, did you have to pay anything for testing?
I did not, but question for you. I don't know if I would ask you, but regarding child support, now that he is deemed the father, how do I go about all of that? And if I did have to pay for half the testing, is there a way I could set it up to where it comes out of back child support?
Well, at this time, I don't see any bill for testing, so I'm not going to worry about that yet, but we would certainly give you potentially time to make payments on that if that became an issue. As to child support, have you made a formal request before, ma'am, for child support?
Yeah, I've filled out the paperwork for it.
So ultimately, child support is based on how much parenting time and or overnights parties have. We don't know, obviously, what agreement you might have moving forward.
Right.
I mean, the file to address, but support can be backdated to some extent.
Okay.
So he filed a complaint for custody. He filed an answer, I assume. See if your answer addressed support.
May I speak, sir?
Yes.
I'd just like to point out the fact that I have not been allowed any time to see her, not been allowed visitation at all. I've offered to pay for babysitting, food, anything like that, and I've been ignored and told no this entire time. And I have offered multiple times. I haven't been able to see her since probably Thanksgiving the week after, and I've been ignored and haven't heard anything since. She recently reached out to me within the last
All right. Well, I don't need you guys to kind of air your grievances right now in front of me. The hope is you guys will go to mediation and reach an agreement. If you don't, then I will hear all the necessary factors that I need to hear to address parenting time. I would certainly encourage the two of you to try and work out an agreement that is in the best interest of the child. So, ma'am, are you formally requesting child support in this matter?
Yes.
Okay.
So is there a way I can request like the back child support from, like, how far back can you go?
Well, we can only go back to when you requested. So that's why I'm looking at the file to see if your document specifically said, I am requesting support. And I don't see that. There was at one point a stip in order to reconcile. File the request to reopen. So given that you're making that request now, we would go to today's date. As I don't see anything else in there. And is he having any parenting time currently, ma'am?
No. And we have met up in the past and it doesn't really go well. And like I trusted. No, no. No, she really doesn't know him, so I don't feel that's in her best interest, you know. And I've made sure that
We are going to refer you guys then to mediation to see if you can reach an agreement. I will order that a child support recommendation be prepared. It may be changed down the road once you guys have some type of agreement. But given the current state of the matters, we'll go with an effective date of today's date. At this time, it would be 0 overnight calculation, which it will be changed upon any change to that. Friend of the court, do you need financial information for the parties?
I am not sure if they have submitted information.
Okay. It may have changed because this case has been pending for a while, so.
I would just ask maybe that they complete information or reach out to see if I can obtain the information by phone.
Okay. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna order that you guys reach out to friend of the court to speak with your caseworker to find out if she needs any updated information to prepare that recommendation. We will refer the matter to mediation, so they will reach out to you to set up that mediation date. And again, if there is no agreement, that's fine. We'll then just have an entry hearing. If there is an agreement, that's great. And then we'll just put that on the record after you guys reach that agreement. Any questions, ma'am?
No.
Sir, any questions?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you both for appearing. You're all set for today.
Thank you.
Thank you.